average times for the production. What is the throughput time? We exclude the wait time, so process time, move time, queue time, inspection time. So that is our throughput time. And what is the answer here? So that is 10.4, right? A is the answer. Move time plus inspection time plus queue time plus process time. What is the manufacturing cycle efficiency? So let's talk about this. So manufacturing cycle efficiency is manufacturing value added time, which is the process time. Let's talk about this. 0.2 and here we go. So what is the value added time? We just talk about that. Only the processing time is value added time. 0.2 divided by manufacturing total manufacturing cycle, which is the throughput time. The throughput time is 0.5 plus 0.4 plus 9.3 plus 0.2. So 0.2 divided by 10.4, answer is 1.9%. That is right. So all you have to do, you just need to remember the formula, and the formula is that manufacturing time efficiency is manufacturing time or throughput time. Value added time is only processing time. That's it. So what is the delivery time cycle? If you add all these, wait time, move time, inspection time, all these, that is your total delivery cycle time. That's it. So that's just for the evaluation of the manufacturing department. And now how we can evaluate, what if we can evaluate based on some different measures. For example, in balanced scorecard, you are just not measured according to some financial gains, you are also measured through business internal processes, learning and growth, and customer related as well. It means management. So we know that we have criticism on ROI. We also have criticism on the residual income approach. And so in order to avoid all these criticism, the management accountant, they introduced balanced scorecard, in which management translates its strategy into performance measures and employees understand and influence, which means performance measures are measured not only just through one financial perspective, but they are measured from 4 business perspectives: financial, customer, learning and growth, and internal business perspective. So for example, the vision and strategy, you develop goals, customer goals, business strategy goals, and then you develop financial goals. So how is our performance, whether our performance improve or not, whether our customers, recognize our value or not. Internal business process, it is that whether we can deliver to our customer on time, it's like that. Learning and growth, whether we maintain our ability to change or improve, or to keep our valuable people with ourselves. So in that case, basically you measure each and every one according to these four indicators. So the balanced scorecard relies on also non-financial measures, right? And what are the reasons? Number one, financial measures are lagged indicators. It means they don't guarantee the future performance as well. If this year you sell 20,000 cars and you earn 20% profit, does it guarantee that you will also earn 20% in next year? Answer is no, right? So non-financial measures are also called leading indicators, which means they tell you, you know, they tell you about the future. If you hire competent people, of course you will earn better. Your profit will gonna, your profit is going to be improved, but it's not a lagged indicators. It's leading indicators. Number two, top managers are ordinarily responsible for financial performance measures, not the lower level managers. The non-financial measures are more likely to be understood and controlled by lower level managers as well. The top level managers, they claim that, okay, this is because of us, right? And this is general practices that because new CEO come and the sale increased by 100%. So he claim all the benefits is because of me, right? If in order to understand the individual performance, so the non-financial measures, they are understand and they can be easily quite applicable on lower level managers as well. So the balanced scorecard for individuals. First of all, we have the overall organizational balance scorecard, and each individual should have personal balance scorecard as well. For example, the organizational scorecard tells us about the 10 points, and any individual who is above 6 should be considered as good employee, and any individual whose scorecard is less than 6, he is not good and he should be given warnings or sent for trainings or should be fired. So a personal scorecard should contain measures that can be influenced by individuals being evaluated and that can support the overall measures. So this 6 number, it came from all those 4 financial and non-financial measures, and 6 can tell you that he is above average. So a balanced scorecard should have measures that are linked together on a cause and effect basis. For example, if we perform one measure, then another measure will also improve. The balanced scorecard lays out concrete actions to attain desired outcome. So what does it mean? It means if we hired capable people, right? So let's talk about our 4. Where is that one? So if we are capable, if we hire the capable people, professionals with degrees, it improves our learning and growth in our overall organizational balance scorecard. Our internal processes will be improved because he knows the technology, he knows the things, how to get done, how to satisfy the customers, how to send the goods on time to the customers. Of course, customer will be satisfied and internal business process is going to be improved, and ultimately financial goals going to be improved. So financial goals, improvement of financial goals also depends on improvements on customer satisfaction, improvement on internal business process, and improvement on learning and growth. So these are interrelated. If customers are not satisfied, it means we are not having some profit. It means there is a problem in our internal business process as well. Or it means also we suggest that there is a problem in our training or skills development as well. So the balance scorecard and the compensation. So incentives compensation should be linked to balance scorecard performance measures. So the idea is that even in a team or groups in an organization, you did well and others, they perform poor, right? So because of poor performance of others, your group performance is also poor. Would that justify that you are also, not a good employee? No, because your balance scorecard will tell that you got 8 marks and they got like 6 marks or 5 marks here. So then you will be automatically in the system, you would be, blinked, or you will be, categorized as a above average person, and you would be given some kind of mayar, some kind of bonuses, some kind of like, or you would be recommended for promotion as well, right? So individuals in other parts of the departments, they can also be evaluated based on compensation. Sorry, based on scorecard. So that's all from our today's lecture. I have just one example left that explain how a balanced scorecard example can be, fit here in Jaguar. So you see here, if you have better skilled person, that affect your learning growth, right? So those skilled person gonna be performing or delivering the goods on time to the customer, which means time to install and number of options available gonna be increased, which means internal business process is gonna be increased, right? And in that case, when customer receives the goods on time, customer satisfaction is going to be increased, customer number is going to be increased, and when customer number is going to be increased, it means financial measures are also going to be increased, right? So this concept is the establishment of balanced scorecard is a little bit different and dry subject. I would suggest you to just focus on more on our ROI and our residual income approach. So that is the target for our today's chapter here. So that's all. So I would be uploading the assignment 7 and assignment 8 as well, the budgeting assignment and this balance scorecard. So the performance evaluation assignment is very small, it's just only 2 questions. And the budgeted, income statement and budgeted balance sheet statement, or the profit planning chapter assignments is a little bit tricky. So I would also upload over there. So the deadline is of course the next lecture, and in next lecture please come up with your queries so that we can have our revision as well. Any more questions regarding today's lecture?
No, that's okay.
William, Leo, Jackie, Timay, Stella?
No question.
No.
I would be uploading these slides and the chapters and the YouTube links on our WeChat group and also on BB. So see you next time, and see you in our next class with a lot of queries and questions.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.